What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a while, but I'm back. I'm back with a new product. How y'all doing? Y'all, the holidays coming up, New Year's coming up. Everybody trying to get in shape. And I know I'm late with this TikTok trend. I didn't even know it was a TikTok trend until I bought it. I was like, oh, there's something they do on TikTok. But this is the smart hula hoop. So it's a little modern version of the hula hoop that we used to, you know, back in my days, you know what I'm saying? So I chose to get this, and I'm gonna show you how I work out with it. So it's really easy. All you have to do, like I said, come in my Amazon box right here. So easy to use. Let me show you guys. So you literally, so this is it right here. Let me get a little closer. So it literally just come in two pieces, this and this. Now these little notches, you can adjust these to your waist size. You know, the wider it is, the more intensity you have going around in a circle. And one thing about this, you see these little rings here, these little shock absorbers, they kind of massage your abdomen as you're working out. And it's so easy to use. You just take this little bearing right here, slide it on in there, girl. It's in there. Well, you gotta put it on your waist and you just snap it in place. Bam, that's all you gotta do. You put it around your waist and hula hoop, and I'll show you how to do that in 1 second. Okay, y'all, so I had to take out two pieces because as you can see, I don't have a really big waist. Now this one that I have, it come with 24 of these little knots, and you can detach them the same way that you put them on. You just do the reverse to get them off. I took two of these off so that I can get a better rhythm, and this is like my first time working with this. Like I said, it can fit up to a 42-inch waist. Obviously my waist is not that wide. And one thing, let me sit this down real quick. And like I say, this little gravity ball, this is what's going to help. So yeah, so it's a lot different. So it's very different from the traditional hula hoop. And this ball is connected with this little beanie, a beanie? I forgot what these are called, but yeah, it's hooked on to that. And one thing, like I said, it massages your abdomen as you hooping. Look at that. I'm like so late, but I like this little, I love different little fitness gadgets. Of course, I strength train, okay? But I love these little fitness gadgets. It gives me an extra edge to my workout when I want to do something a little bit more convenient. I can pull this out. Now, if some tips, you want to do this 30 minutes after eating. Any type of pregnancy or back injury, I do not recommend you guys using this at all. Make sure you have enough space to do this at. And if you can hear that noise, so keep that in mind if you know you're around someone who don't like the noise, that it can get a little noisy. And this thing altogether, I think it weighs about 1.5 pounds. This is the whole contraption, just not this ball. I'm not exactly sure how much this ball weighs, but like I say, it's not heavy at all. And working with these, you can burn like, if you do 30 minutes, 5 days a week, you can burn anywhere between 500 and 800 calories, okay? That would put, if you're trying to lose weight, that will put you in a calorie deficit. So of course the pounds is just going to come out. Yes, don't look good, y'all. Oh, look, something's getting me. Now they say this is easier than a traditional hula hoop. For one, it doesn't fall off. It doesn't fall off like the original hula hoop is. And I kind of like this. I can see myself doing this for 30 minutes. And don't get discouraged. You don't have to do it 30 minutes straight. You can do it 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there until you get your 30 minutes in, or 15 minutes and 15 minutes. However you want to do it. As long as you get up and do it, you probably feel proud of yourself for doing it. So for this product right here, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I like it. I have so many gadgets. I think one day I'm just gonna do a compilation video of all my little fitness gadgets that I got off of Amazon and the different stores in my neighborhood. But y'all, I like this. I like it. Maybe this could be a good Christmas gift. I don't know. Like, it's some, you know, it's something about the new year. People want to lose weight, but you don't have to wait till the new year. If you need to or want to lose weight or gain muscle, so just start now. Don't wait. Why wait for the new year? What's the difference between now and the new year? Nothing. You know what I'm saying? And then you can call on me because I can be your trainer, because that's what I do, okay? So anyway, short video, really short video. I just had to share this, my personal opinion of this. Pretty cute. I like my outfit. Yes, I wore this before, so what? Make sure I hit the subscribe button. Bye.